like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be giving my honest review on my Telfar bag. I have the Telfar, and this is in the size medium, and this is in the color corned beef. I feel like Telfar bags are hard to get. I feel like a lot of people feel like that because you kind of have to wait till he has a drop to get them. So I actually got this purse when he did the rainbow drop, probably like maybe a month and a half ago. It did not take me too long to get this bag. I want to say I got this purse probably 4 weeks after, maybe 3 to 4 weeks after the after I purchased it. So that wasn't bad, but I did want to get a Telfar bag. They are very, very popular. I wanted to get my hands on one. This is a black owned company, so I wanted to support. Just my first impressions of the bag, I'm just gonna say I absolutely love this color. So I was torn. I wanted to get the azalea, which the azalea one is kind of like the same color as my shirt, but about time I decided that I wanted the purse, the azalea one, the medium, was already sold out. I wanted to get a medium purse because I wanted it to be an everyday purse. If I wanted to carry it on an everyday basis, I didn't want to get anything that was extremely big. So I did my research, and that's another thing, y'all. If you are interested in a Telfar bag, I would definitely do my research before I just went in and purchased one. So this is what the purse looks like. It has the straps right here that you can hold on to. It also has the shoulder straps, so each of them are double. And then on the back, it's just plain. And when you open the purse up, it does have a button right here where it will snap close. Also has a zip compartment that is pretty deep. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's pretty deep. You could get a lot of stuff in the zip compartment. And then that's all to it, really. There's nothing else with the purse. There is a tag. There is a tag on the inside of the purse, and that just says Telfar, and it says when it was established 2005, and it says NYC. So it does have the matching pink interior in the inside. Also comes with a dust bag for you to store your bag in. I think it's simple and cute. Just my first impressions of it, very simple, very cute. The stitching is like, you can tell that it was made very well. Stitching is not out of place at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and read my description of the purse, and then I'm gonna do a little what fits test. So this is the medium corned beef shopping bag. This purse retails for $202, so it is $202. So I'm just gonna read the description of the purse. The iconic unisex shopping bag is an everyday bag for everyone, featuring a double strap, handles and crossbody straps, embossed logo in main compartment with magnetic snap closure and internal zipper pocket, made with faux leather and twill lining. Bag is packaged in a 100% cotton drawstring bag with screen printed logo. Medium fits a laptop plus daily survival kit. So I'm just gonna say the first thing that caught my attention when I received this bag was just how long this double strap is. I am about 5'2", so I'm very short, and I want to say it hangs almost to like, almost comes close to the top of my knees. So one thing that I would say that I'm not too crazy about is the double strap. You can actually tuck this in, which I see a lot of people do, or if I crossbody it, y'all, it's not really long, so I can, you know, crossbody it and it's not too bad. But the straps are very, very long. I think maybe in the future, like maybe if they shorten the strap just a little, or made it to where it's detachable, where you can take it on and off. Since this bag is unisex, then I do kind of understand, I guess, why they made the strap so long. But a lot of people talk about the straps being long, and that was something I was just wanting to see for myself. And I will say, on me personally, it is kind of long, but it's not you know, it's not something that would make me not want to purchase the bag again. Other than that, I feel like the quality of the bag is really good for the price point. I don't feel like it's cheaply made. That's just my experience. Now, as I start to carry it and see, you know, how it holds up, then maybe my opinion could change. But as of now, these are my first impressions of the bag. I don't feel like it's cheaply made, and I feel like it's a great price point. And this size is like a great size. For this to be the medium, like, you would think this is the large bag, but for this to be a medium, you can get a lot of stuff in it. Because this is a huge bag, I'm not gonna do a what fits, as in to show y'all what can fit, because the bag is huge. I mean, I think it's a given that a lot of stuff can get in here. But what I am gonna do is, because on the description of the bag, he did advertise that a laptop can fit in here. So I'm gonna put my laptop in here just to see if it fits. I'm gonna put like my laptop and my iPad. So we're gonna do that, and I'll let y'all see. Also, another thing that I would be interested in is putting some sort of organizer in this purse. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about, then I'm going to show y'all. So this is my Louis Vuitton Speedy, and I have an organizer in here. And I was going to try to see if it fits, but my organizer in here is so bulky that I doubt that it would fit in that purse. But this is what I mean by organizer. I most likely will buy one. It probably would have to be a little bit more narrow. I will kind of test this out and see if it would fit in there, just because with that purse being so big, I don't know if I like the idea of just throwing stuff in there and everything just going straight to the bottom. I'd rather things be organized. Let me test this one out really quick. I kind of feel like it's going to be too bulky, but I'm just going to test it out just to see if it does work in here. It actually fits. I may have to just transfer that organizer back and forth, not unless I get a pink one, because this one is a brown. So I have some junk in here. I'm just gonna show y'all, now that y'all seen me put that organizer in there, this is what it looks like with the organizer in the inside. And you would just be able to put your things in there, and it therefore your purse is organized. So when you place things in there, everything's not sinking to the bottom and you don't have to dig through things to find. I kind of like the organizer. It is kind of big for the purse. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It is a little bit smushed in there, but I feel like if I wanted to get a pink one, but also this brown, the brown organizer kind of goes with the pink. It doesn't look bad because brown and pink, you know, go together. But I like that. As you did see when I put the organizer in there, it did give the bag some shape, so the bag is not gonna fold back up or be very, very like smushed, because when you do get the purse, it does come with like the back folded, and y'all probably seen as I was showing y'all the purse, the back was still folded up a little bit. So I do like that, but I am going to just test it out because I'm not going to do a just what fits, because like I said, as you can see, a lot of things would fit in this purse, but I am going to just kind of test out my laptop fitting, and possibly I would say my iPad. So I have my MacBook Air, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my MacBook Air in here. And y'all, that was a perfect fit. Went in there. As you can see, it's here to the side. I did not put it in the organizer. I kind of put it in front of it. So I put my MacBook Air, and then of course my iPad would fit in here. This would be something else that I would put in here, so along with my other things. So it did kind of make the purse heavy because my laptop and my iPad together have a little bit of weight to it. My laptop is very light, but my iPad is like heavy a little bit, so it did put some weight to it. But as you can see, y'all, just testing it out, if you see it online, it does not do it any justice. Looking at it online, you really cannot tell how big it is, but the medium can fit your laptop, fit your iPad, just fit what you need in it. Overall, I will say I feel like this purse is worth it. This purse would be perfect for travel purposes. I know me personally, when I'm traveling, even just for the car ride, I like to have a big purse. I want to be able to throw my snacks, my charger, my iPad, just anything. So I feel like this will be a great purse to take when you're just going on a road trip as well, if you don't want to do like an everyday thing. I don't feel like the bag is cheap. Very great quality, y'all. I am really excited that I was able to get one of these purses. If you are interested in getting a Telfar bag, y'all, the only thing that I recommend is getting like on the mailing list, following his social media, just so you're able to see when there is going to be a drop, because usually on the website everything is always sold out, but once you see when they have a drop, you're able to purchase it. But I do feel like it's worth it. I'm really happy with my bag and I can't wait to carry it. So yeah, y'all, that is going to wrap up this video. Let me know, do you have a Telfar purse? Are you thinking about getting one? What colors do you have? Because they have this purse in like so many colors. So what color do you have? What size do you have, y'all? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you really enjoy these purse videos, I have a purse unboxing playlist. I'm gonna make sure to link that in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you follow me on my social media pages. I'm gonna have those linked as well. If I ever go missing on here, then y'all can find me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I would like to get